I'm not your friend. Da, 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 da. Welcome to this video. My name is Hannes and I want to show you Therefore I Am by Billie Eilish. Of course, the song is based on electronical instruments and of course Billie's voice. I searched for a live version and I found an acoustic version of her playing it together with her brother, which is a great basis for you to understand how the song works. We have several versions of how to play the two chords we actually need for that song, which is D minor and A major. We have just two chords and a pretty funny rhythm which we have to check out. If bar chords are too hard for you, no problem. We will check out also easy chords. But let's start with the original chords which are played by Billie's brother. It's a D minor chord, index finger 5th fret A string, ring finger 7th fret D string, pinky 7th fret G string, middle finger 6th fret B string, and index finger also pushes down 5th fret E string. Don't play the low E string here. And for the other chord, we only need to move our fingers towards ourselves. A major bar chord. 5th fret E string, 7th fret A string, 7th fret D string, 6th fret G string, and 5th fret with the index finger played in the B and E string. But if those bar chords are too hard for you, check out D minor here and A here. So it's middle finger 2nd fret G string, ring finger 3rd fret B string, and index finger 1st fret E string, and the open D string, of course. Then I'd like to use A7 here because it's pretty easy to grab there. Index finger 2nd fret D string, middle finger 2nd fret B string, and you play the A, D, G, B, and E string. Now let's come to the strumming pattern. Something like this. We just play off beats all the time, which means we don't play on 1, 2, 3, 4, but on the end, which are between those 1, 2, 3, and 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. And all off beats, and everything's played with upstrokes. And don't let them ring like this, but play them short. And you mute the strings with the palm of your strumming hand. I do that here, and I do that on the 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. You can also do that here, of course. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. The most important thing is this muting after you've played the upstroke. 1 and 2. You know, this damping here with your... Don't do something like this, like really... You just the casual dropping of your hand on the strings. It should fall in a way that you're ready to play the upstroke immediately after it. Okay, to make a percussive sound there. And always when I mute the strings, I relax my grabbing hand just for a second so I can play the whole song without my hand exploding. And this also helps muting, by the way. See? No pressure on the chord, pressure, and then it sounds. Release the pressure while muting here with the strumming hand. Check out my free lessons for beginners, which you find in the video description. No matter if you're playing an acoustic guitar or an electric guitar, it doesn't matter, it fits both instruments.